If you're having first layer problems like this one here, it's very likely that just one part of your printer, when replaced, will fix it and leave this issue behind. I thought everyone should know this beforehand, everyone who has one of these machines. So if you want to know how to eliminate this problem, stay in this video. Alright guys, the first step is to remove this little cover. I'm going to show you the main villain that is probably ruining your first layers. It's very likely it is this little latch here that's loose. This little guy right here. So we are going to replace this part with a new one because after all, it needs to hold the nozzle in position so it can properly take measurements. Alright, so we are going to replace the hot end kit. You need to remove 4 screws to detach the extruder part because this is the piece we are going to replace. The cables run behind it, so we need to remove this part from this corner here. One thing I usually do is remove the print bed and use to hold the screws. Remove this guy here and also this one in the back. Next step, now we are going to remove these screws here. Now the last one, which is this one down here. There are always two very close together. I always confuse them, but it's the one down here. Now we've freed up the space for the cable to pass through. We need to remove the side piece. It slides out and we will reconnect it at the back. So it is a good idea to turn your printer around at this point. Then we remove this little cover. It has some snap fit clips. Now we can remove this small part. It doesn't just slide out like that. Guys, the cable is connected right here. They are held in this connector and we can disconnect them like this. So this whole piece now comes off from where we disconnected. Then you can remove these cables and take this guy out. If one day you have a disaster with your hot end where a bunch of filament builds up and end up breaking one of these wires, this maintenance we are doing here is the same thing. If you break any of these, you need to replace it with a new piece like this one. And then we'll put it back in place. Now, running this cable through here, we can fix this part while passing those cables behind. Something else that sometimes happens is that the screws loosen a little. If this piece is even slightly loose, it already affects your leveling. So we'll take this moment just to make sure everything is tight. Mine from the factory was tightened pretty well. Now the part is fixed. What we are going to do now? Route the cable along its correct path. It will grab a small screwdriver to push the cable into the proper channel. Now we pass everything through this corner here. I will grab this guy now. Now we need to rotate this connector so it goes in with the correct orientation and lock into the position. The cables should face that side. When you place it, it locks in like this. Now we can cover it with the outer cover again. Guys, something very important. After connecting the cable at the back, make sure the path here is clear for the next step. Now we are going to fix the extruder, and if the cables aren't properly routed here, it will crush them. So make sure they are passing behind here. There's even a small bar for you to route them through. It's a bit tricky. I had to use 2 screwdrivers with one hand, but you can ask someone for help or just pay close attention. Be careful, route the cable before fixing the extruder, like we are about to do now. Next step is to put these screws back on the outside and also the one underneath. Now, put the adjustment wheel back. Let's reposition the nozzle. I think this is a very valuable tip. Honestly, we don't notice day to day. You keep removing and changing the nozzle and think everything's correct. But whoa, I just installed now and it's holding much more firmly. Maintenance done. Now let's check in practice if the first layer improved before we continue. If you want access to 3,500 plus ready-to-print models, 20 new releases every week, AI-powered custom models generation, and full 3D printing courses, this is the moment. From $1,924 down to just $399 for the full bundle. The discounted link is in the description. Grab it before the offer disappears. First step, let's print. No, young grasshopper, calm down. First, we need to calibrate because you just replaced a part in the printer. So go to settings, and in calibration, you only need to do the bed leveling. Guys, look at what we are seeing before and now what the printer is seeing. We are in love with this new first layer. I can't even fully describe the feeling, but look how much tighter it is, and you can feel the difference from installing the new part. It was really loose before, so during the printer movement it probably wasn't holding firmly. So if you are having this kind of problem and want to go back to having a perfect first layer, just replace this part. In the end, guys, we went from this completely smashed first layer with a lot of holes squished to this perfect here, almost like a mirror. That's the tip to leave these problems behind. I hope you liked this video. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet. See you next time. Bye-bye.